To migrate to Google Analytics 4 setup, start by creating a new Google Analytics 4 property. This can be done by signing in to your Google Analytics account and clicking on the admin section. Then selecting Create Property. Choose Google Analytics 4 and follow the setup wizard to create your new property. Next, set up data streams to collect data from your website or app. Data streams are the way Google Analytics 4 collects data from your website or app. You can set up a web data stream by providing your website URL and adding a tag to your website using Google Tag Manager. After setting up your data streams, you need to configure your events. Events are the actions that users take on your website or app, such as form submissions or button clicks. You can configure events using the Events report in your Google Analytics 4 property or by using Google Tag Manager to set up event triggers. Another important step is to set up conversions. Conversions are the actions that you want users to take on your website or app, such as making a purchase or filling out a form. You can set up conversions by creating a new event in your Google Analytics 4 property and marking it as a conversion. It is also important to set up user properties to collect additional information about your users. User properties are attributes that describe your users, such as their location or language. You can set up user properties using the User Properties report in your Google Analytics 4 property. To get the most out of Google Analytics 4, it is recommended to use the debug view to test your setup and ensure that data is being collected correctly. The debug view shows you the data that is being collected in real time, allowing you to identify and fix any issues with your setup. Finally, to complete your migration, you need to update your existing reports and analysis to use the new Google Analytics 4 property. This may involve recreating existing reports or dashboards using the new property, and updating any automated reports or alerts to use the new property. By following these steps, you can successfully migrate to Google Analytics 4 setup and start taking advantage of its new features and capabilities. Remember to regularly review and update your setup to ensure that you are getting the most out of Google Analytics 4.